Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix shift lock not working in your Roblox. So first thing first, you have to get yourself into a game. Once you see this page and the game's home page, select the settings icon on your top left. Now you have to select the Roblox icon on your top left. As you do that, select settings. Now under shift lock switch, make sure this is on. And if it's still not working even that is on, turn it off. After a couple seconds, turn it back on again, save it, restart your device, launch your Roblox again, and this will work.